Hello, my name is Stan, and I will be showcasing a type of bootstrapping strategy that Arrakis protocol is using. They have lots of articles explaining how it works in depth, but here is an overview. This strategy aims to capture quote assets, and it does so by having those three liquidity positions. Each one is bigger than the previous, and there are two threshold prices, T1 and T2. When either of those threshold prices is passed, a rebalancing action is taken and the threshold prices are moved again. So let's explore what happens when we pass T2. When we pass the threshold of T2, we start by adding new position to the right. We rebalance our middle positions down, so we remove a portion of the quote asset that we have in those positions, and we also will remove the leftmost side of our position. This way we are capturing the quote liquidity. And here is how it looks. We removed the leftmost position. For T1, when we cross T1, the opposite action is taken. We will add a new liquidity position to the leftmost side. We will add more liquidity to the middle positions, and this will be base asset liquidity. And finally, we will remove the rightmost position that's left. You can find more information on Arrakis protocol. The inputs that we will be using is the connector name, chain, network, trading pair, pool address, slippage percentage for opening the positions, the price spread that we want our positions to have, amount scalar percentage, which we will scale how big our positions are, and we start with the leftmost quote amount. And we also have positions levels. In our case, there are 3 position levels. So this is how the tick logic works. On each tick, we check if the current price is within T1 or T2 thresholds, and if it is, we do nothing. But when it's outside, we have custom Palm executors implemented that rebalance themselves, and when they are outside of the position, they close themselves also. Then the controller will create the missing levels for the executors, and the controller will also set new T1 and T2 prices, and this repeats again. This strategy implements custom executor scripts, and they are run by custom controller script that is loaded from the standard V2 with controllers strategy. So let's observe how the bot works. We are starting the bot. And now we will observe our positions on Radium. So this is pretty much it. When we have a cross of the threshold price, we will have a rebalance, removal of one of the positions, and the controller will add a new one. Thank you.